Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use OBS virtual camera. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your OBS, then click on install virtual camera. Then you want to go and open your Discord, then you want to go and click on user settings, then you want to go and click on voice and video, then you want to scroll down till you find your camera. Just click on it, and here you should go and click on this option right here and click on OBS virtual camera, and it will use the OBS virtual camera. Now let's say that you do not have this option. I will show you several methods in order to fix it. The first option is to completely close the OBS. So right click on it, then click on Quiet Discord like so. And the second solution is to simply search for OBS like so, OBS, then right click on it, then click on Open File Location, then right click on it again, then click on Open File Location, then go to OBS Studio, then go to Data, then go to OBS Plugins, then go to Win-D Show, double click on it, then go and click on this option, right click, then go and click on Run as Administrator, then go and click on Yes, then go and press any key to continue. So I'm going to click on Enter, for example, and this is the second method. The third method is to simply try to stop recording or stop the OBS, close it, then restart it again, and you will be fixing this issue. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.